tiny bit. Okay, I need you to bring this down all the way down. Right here. Take it right in. Breathe out. Okay, good. Set that in. Okay, come up. Feel that? Good. Yeah. Small. Click. Yeah. Come up. Sit here. Come closer. At about this level, look at the needle. Okay, right here. Right here. You see this? This level. Okay, this is where the pressure is. Right here, right? You feel it? The tenderness? Is it this one or the bottom one more? This one. Okay.
How is it? Then?